When real Arduinos cost $20, what do you think when you see a $5 one? For the sake of you guys and my wallet, I decided to find out. When I began my hardware venture, I understood that my first step was an Arduino. Then I found out that one cost $20, and that was way too much to pay for a microcontroller. Although the Arduino is the most versatile and powerful open source product, I could not afford to pay that much. While looking more into the topic, I saw a bunch of cheap Arduinos on eBay. I thought they were too good to be true, but I decided to buy one anyway. It was only $4.60, so at this point there wasn't too much to lose, and if it was successful, I would be having a big win. About 2 weeks after purchasing, the Arduino finally arrived. It was finally the moment of truth. Time to try the product. I plugged it in, tried to run the blink code, and I received a big fat error. I knew it was too good to be true, but there was still hope left. With me being a troubleshooting god, clearly you can see here, I realized that I needed to get drivers for this Arduino. So I went on the eBay listing for the product and looked up its name, which was the Arduino Uno R3 compatible ATmega 328P CH340G USB board. When looking for drivers, I stumbled onto a support page at arduino.cc, which is Arduino's website if you didn't know. Everybody was talking about the CH340 USB controller. It finally hit me. I needed drivers for the USB controller. Some random Chinese website had it. I checked with Norton to make sure it's safe. I ended up downloading the drivers successfully. Chinese viruses. There's like Chinese government hacking going on, so like I didn't want to be involved in the crossroads of that. But I decided to run a Blink program on a breadboard with an external LED. I wrote the code, sent the program to Arduino, and it failed. The issue was my clumsiness though. After some troubleshooting, I realized that I wanted to bring it up to remind you, use the right port on the IDE, don't make my mistakes, just don't, I'm stupid. So like, in conclusion, the $5 Arduino is an amazing product, especially for the price. It is a minor hassle to get to work, but once it works, there are no issues. I've since done many projects on this Arduino, and it works perfectly. If you're on a tight budget or just want to save a few bucks, I would recommend going with this product. Maybe if I look hard enough, I could find an Arduino even cheaper, but that's for the next video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's try for 20 subs soon. ECB out.